These types of Topiary AI videos are blowing up all over social media right now, and people are literally making thousands of dollars from them. But here's the crazy part. You don't need any editing skills, you don't need expensive tools. If you want to grow your channel with this trend, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step for free. So don't skip this video. Let's get started. To create this type of video, first open ChatGPT. Then click on the two-line menu option at the top. After that, you will see an interface like this, where you need to click on Apps. Then click on GPTs. Next, you will find a search bar. In the search bar, type Topiary Shorts. It may take a little time to load. After that, open the first option. Then click on Start Chat. Now you need to type and send Start to ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will give you 10 video topic ideas. You can select whichever one you want to create. For example, I select lion. Then click on Run. After that, ChatGPT will give you 5 image prompts and 1 video prompt at the end. To generate images, just copy the first image prompt and go to Google. After going to Google, search for Whisk AI. Whisk AI is a tool where you can generate unlimited AI images and videos for free. If you are visiting the Whisk AI website for the first time, it will ask you to log in, so you can simply log in using your Gmail account. After logging in, click on Browse Gallery and then go to Enter Tool. Now you will see an interface like this, and at the bottom you will find an option to enter a prompt. Here, paste the image prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. You can also set the image ratio from here. For example, I set it to 19:6. Then click on Run. Your image generation will start. It may take a little time. And then your image will be generated. My image has also been generated. Now it's time to convert it into a video. For that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then return to Whisk AI. Now press and hold your generated image and click on the video icon. After that, you will see an option at the bottom. Paste the video prompt there and click on Run. Your video generation will start. It may take some time. Mine is also done now. So as you can see, my video has been generated. Let me play it once and show you. You saw how amazing the video turned out. So tell me in the comments how you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a nice like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.